Now that's gonna have a lot better output. We're gonna seal that off with sound deadener. That way this woofer can do its job without having air leaks.
There you go.
Okay. ABS composite plate, screwed in. Screwed in. Tested harnesses, XT60 quick disconnects. Okay, we've cleaned all the glue off the Rockford amplifier. Sound digital amplifier is already mounted in with an ABS composite plate. You can see the screws right there. Now we're gonna do the same thing, but we're using a black HDPE plate. We're gonna rivet it to the fairing, and then we're gonna screw the amplifier into the plate. I'll show you what it looks like in a second. Okay, we have our HDPE plate screwed in place. Fastener number 1, fastener number 2. It's solid, it's an exact fit. And now the Rockford amplifier will be serviceable, mounted down to the plate. So our sound digital amp is mounted down to an ABS plate, and the Rockford is now mounted down. DSR1 DSP. Wiring super clean as usual. Everything's Stinger, everything tested taped up. And this one's ready to go. Okay, that looks a lot better. We sealed the holes with sound deadener, and then we lined the inside of the bag with trunk liner. Looks much, much, much better.